So here are the little baby budgies. Now one of them was just born yesterday and the other one is a couple of days old. So you can already see the size difference between the two of them. But yeah, these guys aren't the prettiest things in the world. They're born altricials, so they heavily rely on their mother and they're born pretty helpless. But yeah, the mother's been doing an excellent job and looking after them. Oh, here she comes now. So yeah, looks like she's coming in to give them a feed. But yeah, she's a really good mother, and hopefully those other 3 eggs should hatch in the next day or two. So I'll keep you guys updated with that and we'll see how it goes. Look at that. Amazing, huh? Check this out, guys. So it's just the next morning and we have another baby budgie. It's really amazing actually how big the size difference is, and there's only 1 day between the 3 of them. See that one on top there, he's only 3 days old or so, and a lot bigger than the one that's 2 days old now. So yeah, pretty interesting how fast they grow. Hey mum. Check these guys out now, you can see all their fluff coming out now, so yeah, they're growing really fast. Mum's out there in the back, but yeah, they're looking really cool. They are getting massive. You can see their wings starting to form properly now, and yeah, they're just growing so quick. The mother's been spending quite a lot less time with them recently. She obviously still comes in to feed them, but as you can see, they're less reliant on her now. They can get up and move around quite easily, so yeah, they're doing great. This guy here is starting to get sort of yellowy coloured feathers coming up, but also mixed with kind of a little bit of blue, I think. So yeah, he's looking pretty interesting. Really cool looking budgie. Now there's this guy here, and he's only 1 day older than the one I just showed you with the yellow head, but he's a little bit further along, so he's not as fluffy as that one. But yeah, it just shows you, even 1 day difference, there is still quite a significant amount of difference in the growth of them. And here's kind of a mauvey blue colour. He's running up my arm. Anyway, I'll put him back in because he's sort of running up me, but yeah, he's a similar colour to the oldest one, which I'll go and show you now. This little guy here is the oldest of the 3, and as you can see, it's sort of a purplish colour, but yeah, he's getting pretty big. Put you back in there, mate. There you go. So check it out, this is our oldest budgie, and he's just fledged the nest. He's 29 days old now, and he's come out to check out his new home and all his new friends, so he's doing good. Now the difference between this guy and adult budgies, from what you can see, is his tail is quite a bit shorter, so that's one way you can notice the difference. And if you look at their eye quite closely, this guy is just a fully black eye. That's all you can see, is just the pupil, whereas the adult budgies you can see the white of the eye, so you can sort of see the ring of white around the eye. So this guy is a little bit different at this age. So yeah, he's doing good. He's a nice sort of light purple colour with black on his wings. So yeah, it's really awesome to see him out and about, and yeah, we'll just keep an eye on him and make sure he's all happy, and so far so good. So this is our 28-day-old budgie, and he pretty much looks identical to the one that's just fledged, so pretty much all the same colours, but he should be out in the next couple of days and flying around, so we'll see how that goes. But he's looking pretty happy and pretty alert, so yeah, nice healthy little budgie. So check this guy out, you can see all his colours coming through now. As you can see, he's got a grey chest and grey and black feathers with a bit of yellow in the feathers and on the tail as well, and bright yellow head. So he is 26 to 27 days old, probably about 26 and a half. But yeah, he is looking pretty good, and he's changed a lot since I showed you him last. So yeah, all his colours are coming through well. So check this out, guys, all of the 3 budgies have fledged the nest. The final one just fledged yesterday, but I didn't have time to film it. So here's the other one, and the final budgie that fledged just yesterday. Sorry cockatiel, is this one here. So he's having a swing. But they're all doing well, and I have another really cool surprise to share with you guys today. I've discovered something pretty cool. Check this out. Another couple of budgies have had these eggs, and the first one is just hatched today. So he's super tiny, and it's just amazing to believe that in around 30 days they will be the same size as the other 3 budgies. Same size as that in 30 days. Just amazing, eh? So 3 out of the 4 eggs hatched, and as you can see, these guys are doing great. The mother kicked the last egg out of the nest because it wasn't fertilised, but 3 out of 4 is pretty good, I reckon. So here they are here, and as you can see they're all growing up and pretty much ready to fledge. They haven't fledged yet, but I'm sure they're getting pretty close to that stage. But yeah, they're doing really well, and their colours have come out really nice. So that is how these guys are doing.